Hello students, hope you have received the questions and answers of chapter 1. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2, file management, organization of data. Today we are going to discuss about transfer of data from one device drive to another device or drive. So our first agenda is transfer data from one drive or device another drive or device. It is our first agenda. Second thing, we are going to discuss about working with multiple files. So these two things we are going to discuss today. First, we are going to discuss how to copy or move data from one drive to another drive. You can see this is my Windows Explorer. So first of all we have to understand what are drives. This part is called navigation pane that you have learned before. This navigation pane is showing the different folders and drives. So if I click on this PC option, so these are important folders. If I scroll it down, so these are my drives. That means I separate my hard disk or I separate my storage into three different parts. That means our storage is like a place, like an area, and I have created three different rooms. That is C, D and E. What is DVD drive F? We are going to discuss it in that. So first of all, I separate my storage into three drives, C, D and E. We are going to see that how data can be transferred or data can be moved from one drive to another drive. That means from D to E. Alright, I'm not going to access this C because look, you can easily see the icon. It contains the system files and folders. So I'm going to access these two drives, two rooms. So let me enter into this room. New volume D. How? By double clicking on it. Otherwise, by right click on the mouse button and by clicking on open option. It is open drive. So I am going to create a file over here. How? Right click, new. Alright, you cannot see easily, I think. New. Then I choose new text document. So this is my file. If I double click over here, so look, here it comes. I can type something over here and I can save it. Save it. If I close, if I open it again, it comes here. So I want to copy this file to drive. Look, I told this is my navigation pane. It shows the important folders and my drives. So it's a kind of shortcut you can think. So how to copy the data? Nothing. Either you can use your keyboard shortcut, that is control button plus C to copy the data. Alright, so another one way is just right click on this and then click on copy option. Right click on this and then choose the copy option. There's a copy option, you cannot see again. Alright, so I'm going to click on copy. So the file is copied. Now look, I'm in the drive D. So I am going to I'm going to transfer this file, I'm going to copy this file into this drive E. So what I have to do, I have to click on this E. Look, this is the E drive, E room. In this room, nothing, just right click anywhere and then click on paste. Look, a copy of that file has created. If I click on new volume D, the file exists here, and the new volume D, the file also exists here because of the copy. I have copied that file. Now suppose, now let me delete this. Now suppose I am going to move this file from this drive to this drive. That means from this drive to this drive. How to do that? After clicking right mouse button on the file, don't choose copy, just choose cut. Which option? You have to choose the option cut. Alright, you have to choose the option cut. So I'm going to choose this option cut. Look, it became blurred, right? It became fade little. That means you have to understand that you have clicked on cut button. So again I have to click on volume E. So I'm going to paste it here. Similar process like copy, just paste it. Look, the file comes here. Again, if I turns into this drive, new volume D, look, the file is not present here because I moved the file. Alright, I moved the file. What is the shortcut to move the file? The shortcut to move the file is CTRL control button plus X. If you press control mouse button and X button together on your keyboard, that file is going to be placed to the keyboard, clipboard. That means you are going to move the file. Alright. So the file is here, the pasted file is here. What is the shortcut to paste the file? I don't want to click the right mouse button and I don't want to click this paste. How to do that? What is the keyboard shortcut of this paste? The keyboard shortcut of this paste option is Control plus V. This is the keyboard shortcut of this paste option. Alright. So you have learned how to copy or move a data from one drive to another drive, from one drive to another drive. Alright? Alright. If you have any confusion on that, please replay the video and check it once again. Alright. Now we will learn how to copy or move data between storage devices. Just before, we have learned how to transfer data, that means copy data or move data from one drive to another drive. Alright, from one drive to another drive. Now we will learn how to transfer data from one place to another place. That means to one storage device to another storage device. Now, from the first of this video, I told that this is my storage device. This is my hard disk. That means this is my place, and I divide this place into 3 different rooms. That means 3 different drives. C drive, that means this is the room and the name of this room is C. This is another drive, the name of the drive is D. This is another room, or this is another drive, the name of this drive is E. So this is one storage. So another storage, what is the meaning of that? Another storage means in computer, in desktop PC or laptop, we are storing data. Whatever we have done, we have studied before, whatever we have done in computer, that means drawing, typing, if we save in our computer or in our laptop which storage device is present, that file, whatever we have done, that file basically stored into the hard disk or into the storage device which is available inside the CPU. That is internal storage device. That is internal storage device. Now the question is, in my computer only one storage device is present, and that storage device is divided into several parts. Can I attach another storage device as internal memory? If it is a question, then the answer is yes. You can attach another one storage device, another 2 storage devices you can attach and you can use these as internal storage device. So I'm going to talk about right now about external storage device. What is the meaning of external storage device? External storage device means that is not a storage device that is not placed inside the CPU. We are going to access, or we are going to use this storage device from outside of the CPU. From outside of the CPU box. Example, one storage device, yes, that is pen drive. Pen drive is a kind of storage device. Another name is flash drive, removable storage drive. Alright. So pen drive is a portable storage device. That means we can carry it easily. How to do that? Let me explain it. First, we need a pen drive. First, we need a pen drive and we should attach it with our computer. This is a pen drive and we have to attach this pen drive through the USB port from the computer that is present with computer. Without attaching this storage device, we cannot access this. So we have to create a bridge between these 2 devices, between our computer and the storage device. So we have to put this into these USB port. Then once you put this pen drive into the computer, that means once your computer is attached with your pen drive, you may get this kind of dialog box. That means your operating system found some errors in your drive. So one dialog box appears with, do you want to scan and fix the errors that is present inside your pen drive? After fixing your errors, programming errors, small errors, it is not that much harmful, but sometimes what happens, our data can be lost. So it is written here recommended. Otherwise, you can click on this continue without scanning option also. That means once you attach your pen drive with the computer, then this kind of dialog box will appear for security reason, that no data loss should happen with you. So you can click on this option either, or you can click on this option, continue without scanning. Then what will happen? Here, how many drives are here? Local disk C, local disk D, local disk E. 3 rooms we have, right? 3 rooms we have, 3 drives we have. If we click any one option, if we click on scan and fix option, Windows, that means your operating system, automatically scan and solve the problem, solve the errors. Alright, if you click on continue without scanning button, then directly this kind of drive will appear, drive icon will appear. Here one snap I have given here to make you understand better. So look here, this is the storage device of a computer, of a device. It is the hard disk. And how many parts are there of a hard disk, of this hard disk? 2. That means the user of that computer has divided this hard disk, has divided the storage into 2 rooms, C and D. But once he entered his pen drive, put his pen drive into his computer, another one drive will appear. Look what it is written, device with removable storage. That means it is your storage device, but it is removable. It is not a part of your hard disk, but it will treat like a storage device. Alright. So what happened? Before we have seen how to transfer data from one drive to another drive, we can follow the same process in case of this. Just we can copy the data or cut the data, and by opening this drive we can right click inside and we can click on paste option. The data will be sent, the data will be pasted, the copied data or the movable data is going to be pasted into this drive, that means into your external drive. Alright, so if you insert your pen drive into your computer or into your laptop, so what will happen? This kind of dialog box will appear. Then after clicking this scan and fix or this continue without scanning option, what will happen? You can see that in your computer maybe many drives. Many drives can be there in your computer, so one more drive will be attached. You can see with your pen drive company. Yes, companies are providing pen drives like HP, SanDisk. Alright, so SanDisk is here. So before that we have seen how to copy data or move data from one drive to another drive. You can follow the similar process. Just copy or move data from one drive and open this drive, open this removable storage drive and just paste it. That's your data is going to be pasted. Okay. Now we are going to discuss how to copy or move data from your storage device to another storage device. That we have already discussed that another storage device is pen drive. Inside the pen drive, in similar way, we are copying or moving data from one drive to another drive. In similar way, after attaching the pen drive with our computer, we can share the data. We can copy or paste or cut and paste the data from one drive, one storage device to another storage device. Now, in the beginning of this video, I told you that we are going to discuss about this part. Look, these are the parts of these are the drives, or these are the rooms of our storage device that we have created. Alright, what is this? This is the DVD writer or DVD reader. It is written DVD, so it is another reading device in our computer. You may have seen in computer lab, or somewhere else that this kind of part are present inside your computer. Yes, this is only if you double click on this button, if you double click on this drive or right click, then if you click on open option, your drive will open like that. After that, what do you have to do? We have to put a blank CD or DVD. It is available in market. Nowadays, pen drive, mobile sharing, through the mobile we can share our data. Alright. For this, the requirement of this kind of CD and DVDs are become reduced. Now, blank CD or DVD is available in market. Alright. So we have to buy one. We have to open this drive present inside the computer. That is, in my computer it is drive F, but in case your computer it can be drive G, drive H, like that. Alright, so it is another reader. So after buying this CD, we have to open this and then we have to place this CD into this drive. Through this, the working of this machine is to read the data, whatever present inside this CD or DVD, or write the data into this CD or DVD. Alright, write the data into this CD or DVD from the computer. Either read or write. Okay? Alright. After placing this CD or DVD inside the CD or DVD writer, what do you have to do? You may have seen this part of this CD or DVD. One small button can be there. You have to press this to put inside it. Then, what do you have to do? Nothing. Just look, I want to put this file into this CD drive. I want to put this file that is present inside my hard disk, new volume E-room, inside this DVD or CD. What do you have to do? Just select the file which you want to put this into the CD or drive. Before that, I want to tell you one thing, that we are going to put this file into the CD or DVD, right? So this is also called writing into CD or DVD, or burning the CD or DVD. That is, burn the CD, burn the DVD. That means we are putting some files, we are putting some data into the CD or DVD. So that is called burning or writing. Alright? So what do you have to do? Nothing, just right click on that file, then click on send to. I think you cannot see, but once you bring the mouse pointer on the send to, at the last of the sub menu, DVD RW DVD option is there. Either you can click over there, another option is there. Select the file that you want to paste into the CD or drive, or you want to burn it into the CD or DVD. Click on share menu. It is present by default in Windows Explorer. Click on share, burn to disk. If you click on burn to disk, now it will ask insert a disk. Please insert a writable disk into DVD drive F. Alright, so no disks are there into my DVD drive. So this is why this kind of message appears. Alright, this is only the procedure to burn or to write, to store data into CD or DVD. Okay. One thing you should remember, that transferring data from one storage device to another storage device, or from one drive to another drive, is easy. But if you want to burn, or if you want to write, or if you want to paste any file from your computer hard disk or storage device into the CD drive, if you want to burn your CD drive through your files, through your hard disk, always remember, once it completes, then only you can put out the disk. Otherwise, don't do this. If you do this, then the CD disk can be damaged. The CD disk can be damaged. So we have to wait until it's complete. Then, after complete burning, a successful burning, one option will appear, finish burning. So you have to click on that option. That is only the procedure. Alright. Now we are going to learn how to work with multiple applications. That means, we know that Windows operating system is a single user and multitasking operating system. That means only one user can use, but we can do many tasks at a time. That means we can listen to music, along with we can type. That means multiple tasks we can do. Now this Windows 10 provides us one special feature that is called snapping. How to do that? This is my Windows Explorer. I want to work with multiple softwares. Multiple jobs at a time. So this is Windows Explorer. With that, I want to open something here. How to do that? So how to use that snapping option in Windows 10? Nothing. Just it is opened. That is my Windows Explorer. Let me open some another software, Microsoft Word. Let me open another software, Microsoft PowerPoint. Alright, let me open another software, that is Excel. So how to do that? Look, 4 softwares are there. But if I want to work together, here, I type something here. If I want to work with PowerPoint here, we have to click here and then we have to work each time. So how to use these snap option? This is the title bar. Look, each and every software has its own title bar. This is the title bar of Microsoft Word, this is the title bar of Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and this is the title bar of Microsoft Windows Explorer. It is also provided by Microsoft Company. So how to use it? Nothing, just click and hold your mouse left button on the title bar and drag it to the edge of this. Look, you can easily see one transparency overlay. You can easily see a overlay comes. Alright, so just look what happens. It comes in a corner. Alright, I want to place this inside at this corner. How to do that? Nothing, just put it here. Look, one overlay appears. You observe that? Look, it comes here. Now I want to put this. Microsoft Office here. I want to snap this part away here. Nothing, just corner. Look, one overlay appears. Okay? Alright. This is the tiles part. Alright, Microsoft Excel left. Look. 4 windows open together. We can work together now. In a same screen. I can work with Microsoft Word, I can work with Microsoft Excel, I can work with Microsoft PowerPoint, I can work with Windows Explorer if I need. So this feature is called Windows Snapping. That means we can open multiple applications, we can work with multiple applications in Windows 10 operating systems. Is that clear? So what we have discussed today? Transfer data from one drive or device to another drive or device, like we have transferred data from one drive to another drive. We have transferred data from one storage device to another storage device, portable storage device, that is our hard disk, to pen drive, and transferring data or burning a CD or DVD. How to burn a CD or DVD. That is how to transfer data from our storage device. It is also another storage device, but it is a little different, no? From pen drive. Good. Another thing, working with multiple flies. That means how to use the snap option of Windows 10. Alright, thank you.